Hey y'all, I'm in here at the shop at the new slider, and I want to show you what I'm doing out here. We couldn't get the rear roof done, so I have to put up a temp roof. And this is just to keep the snow from piling up. You see how it's piling up now? So I covered up this door, and I'm waiting on some metal here to finish this. I'm going to put a temporary roof here, but this roof is pretty much up. And now what I've done is just, it's temporary. I can knock this down. These posts are just sitting on ice. They're just sitting there. And I'm going to put some purlins in here, these little minis. Doug firs the whole way. And I'm going to put just metal roofing on there. So we'll see how it works. And that's just so that I can store some wood outside here and get in and out of the door without 10 feet of snow building up. It'll build up here. I bet you this becomes a snow cave this winter. That's what I hope, because this has no access typically. So, temporary roof going up. And I'll show you a temporary roof on the front door. Well, actually it's going to be permanent. Just not in the right place. So, I'm waiting on a giant roll-up door for the shop here. It's 18 by 14. Instead of these barn doors, those will come down, and then there'll be an automatic roll-up door that's insulated for that space. And this roof I just put in is just to keep the rain off of me when I'm coming in. And also allows us access to come out this door and go directly into the greenhouse area without getting wet, which I've been working on as well. And you can see how I brought the grate up, start to put some patio in, extended the bulletproof steel all the way down. And I also have been installing these recycled feed bags here in large numbers as erosion fabric and weed prevention. And they go all the way under the metal here. So eventually this will be a little bit of sand dressing and some nice stone walkway, which I can work on this winter because it's 80 degrees right now where I'm sitting. 40 degrees in the backyard. I've also excavated this hole real deep and took that tank out. So I'm going to put the tank real deep in the ground and maybe put a hand pitcher pump here. I'm not certain. I'm going to research that tonight. Maybe a solar pump for the winter to a frost-free so that Leah and I can get water here for the animals. I'm going to sleep on it because that's how I get good ideas. And you can see how much the grate I brought up here. I don't know if you've ever seen what it looked like here. It was more of a slope out the door. I just got one more piece to put in there. And it's a slow process, but it's a labor of love. I got the roofing for the greenhouse here. The front geothermal climate controlled greenhouse is sitting in a pile, finally. Took months to get here. So my next project is to roof this as soon as my new shears come in. Hope you got something out of the video. It's gorgeous today in the desert. I'm about to live stream with the Witness in the Desert folks. So that's what I'm up to now. Taking a break. Be safe.